al-Bukhari 3341, narrated Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam recited the following verse in the usual tune, Fahal min Mudalkar 54.15, Sahih al-Bukhari 3342, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Abu Zar radiyallahu ta'ala anha used to say that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, while I was at Makkah, the roof of my house was opened and Jibreel alayhi salam descended upon my chest and washed it with Zamzam water. Then he brought a golden tray full of wisdom and faith, and having poured its contents into my chest, he closed it. Then he took my hand and ascended with me to the heaven. When Jibreel alayhi salam reached the nearest heaven, he said to the gatekeeper of the heaven, open the gate. The gatekeeper asked, who is it? Jibreel alayhi salam answered, Jibreel alayhi salam. He asked, is there anyone with you? Jibreel replied, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is with me. He asked, has he been called? Jibreel alayhi salam said, yes. So the gate was opened and we went over the nearest heaven, and there we saw a man sitting with Aswida, a large number of people of his right hand, Aswida on his left. When he looked towards his right, he laughed, and when he looked towards his left, he wept. He said to me, welcome, O peace prophet and peace son. I said, who is this man, O Jibreel? Jibreel replied, he is Adam alayhi salam, and the people on his right and left are the stools of his offspring. Those on the right are the people of paradise, and those on the left are the people of the hellfire. So when he looks to the right, he laughs, and when he looks to the left, he weeps. The Jibreel ascended with me till reached the second heaven and said to the gatekeeper, open the gate. The gatekeeper said to him, the same as the gatekeeper of the first heaven. He said, and he opened the gate. Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha added, Abu Zar mentioned that Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam meet Idris alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Musa's, Isa alayhi salam, Yusuf, and Abraham over the heavens, but he did not specify their place, i.e., on which heavens each of them was, but he mentioned that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had meet Adam alayhi salam on the nearest heaven and Ibrahim alayhi salam on the sixth. Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, when Jibreel alayhi salam and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Idris alayhi salam, the latter said, welcome, O pious prophet and peace prophet and pious brothers. I said, who is he? Jibreel alayhi salam said, he is Musa alayhi salam. Then I passed by Isa alayhi salam, who said, welcome, O peace prophet and peace brother. I said, who is he? He replied, he is Isa. Then I passed by the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, who said, welcome, O peace prophet and peace son. I said, who is he? Jibreel replied, he is Ibrahim alayhi salam. Narrated Ibn Abbas and Abu Hiya al-Ansari radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, then Jibreel ascended with me to a place where I heard the creaking of pens. Ibn Hazam and Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anha state the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Allah enjoined 50 salat prayer on me when I returned. This order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I passed by Musa alayhi salam, who asked me, what has Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enjoined on your followers? I replied, he has enjoined 50 salat prayers on them. And the Musa said to me, go back to your Lord, and appeal for reduction, for your followers will not be able to bear it. So I returned to my Lord and asked for some reduction, and he reduced it to half. When I passed by Musa alayhi salam again and informed him about it, he once more said to me, go back to your Lord, for your followers will not be able to bear it. So I returned to my Lord similarly as before, and half of it was reduced. I again passed by Musa alayhi salam, and he said to me, go back to your Lord, for your followers will not be able to bear it. I again returned to my Lord, and he said, there are 5 Salat prayers, and they are all equal to 50 in rewards. For my word does not change. I returned to Musa alayhi salam. He again told me to return to my Lord for further reduction, but I said to him, I feel shy of asking my Lord now. Then Jibreel alayhi salam took me till we reached Sidratul Muntaha, i.e. low tree of utmost boundary, which was shrouded in colors indescribable. Then I was admitted into paradise, where I found small tents made of pearls, and its earth was musk, a kind of perfume. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.